Hey everyone, I'm Cindy from Stampin, and today we are going to make this simple Stampin' card. So these are my thank yous I'm going to send out this month to my customers. And let's get started. So you're going to start with a piece of Whisper White that is 5.5 inches by 2.5 inches. And we are using the Free as a Bird stamp set. Try to get the glare off it there for you. And we are going to start with the bird stamp. I'm just going to ink it up in Memento ink. Now, this is a card that you can simply do this way, or you can step it up really easy, and I will show you a few ways you could do that. So I'm just going to stamp my birds in the middle, like so. I'm going to clean off my stamp. I just have my Stampin' scrub off to one side. Alright, close up the Memento. And now I am going to use Granny Apple Green. On this card, I use Daffodil Delight. Just going to switch it up a little bit, see what different colors look like. If I can get my ink pad to cooperate. There we go. It's being difficult today. Wanted me to get ink all over my fingers. Alright, and I am going to grab the thank you stamp and put it right here in the bottom right hand corner. Clean that one off. Now, that is where I am going to leave my stamping. So, we are going to adhere this onto our card base. And this is a Granny Apple Green card base. So we're just going to center it. Make sure it's straight. And there we go. So that is my simple stamping card. Now, like I said, I was going to show you a few easy ways that you can step this card up. So one way is just to add a little bit of ribbon. So you could just add a little bit of twine there at the bottom. Or you could color in your birds. So you can use the blends markers, color in the birds, the branches, and all of that. Would be some very simple ways that you could step this card up if you would like. For me, I am just going to leave it at this for now. Let me know what you think, and don't forget to like this video in the comment below. If you'd like to see more videos, subscribe to my channel. And below in the description, you will see a supply list and a link to my blog where you can get all the measurements for this video. Thank you for watching me, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye!